So we will then 24 June 9:30.
Yes.
ये सलमान साहब आपका जो केस है जिसमें आपने उसको चैलेंज किया, उसकी अपील नहीं है जो आपने पीटीआई के तौर पे कहा कि हम आजाद नहीं है, उसकी कोई पिटीशन नहीं है?
मैं एक्सप्लेन
है या
करूंगा.
नहीं?
No, my lord. We filed a CPLA against the High Court order, but otherwise this became final. It was too close to the election. 8 तारीख को election था, 2 को ये आया. We were engaged in the election campaign, and at that point in time, further litigation was
नहीं
not
समझते
possible.
कि अगर वो पिटीशन आज होती तो मामला कुछ और होता?
Quite so, my lord. But the fact is that the timing of that matter was such that
Still there is a time.
वो इस केस में भी जनाब कर सकते हैं.
हमने फैसला किया है हम 24 और 25 से आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे. दो
ठीक है, ठीक.
पूरा हफ्ता नहीं देंगे.
I will
क्योंकि
conclude
आप
within
बहुत
an hour.
repetition
Not
हो रहा है.
you, all of them.
All, everybody.
I will conclude within
You
an
will
hour.
conclude on 24th, not the end of the day.
No,
both
no,
of you.
within an hour.
Now they have these new gadgets, you see, which I can press and they'll give you electric
हाँ,
shock.
वो अगर ले ले तो हमारे लिए भी
अगर आप सुबह चाहते हैं, इतवार को
9:30
चाहते हैं, रात को चाहते हैं, वो भी
नहीं,
हम
नहीं,
accommodate
9:30 से.
करने- वो भी हम अकोमोडेट करने
नहीं
के
नहीं
तैयार हैं.
सर नहीं.
If my friend takes an hour, I'll take no more than 2 hours.
आप इनके आर्गुमेंट
You will only take 15 minutes. Yes. Didn't you hear what
That
Justice
that
Shah
would be a
said?
new answer के सलमान 15 मिनट.
My lord, if I may, 2 days are fine, but the gadget is not needed for Mr. Faisal. Gadget is surely not needed for him. My friend has been very responding to this.
आप लोग लंबा टाइम लेंगे.
My
Who
lord-
will argue on this side?
My lord, I think we have
How
Mr.
long will you take, Mr. Bashir?
My lord, I will take about 1.5 hours at most.
I think
1.5 is rather interesting.
we
How
have
did you calculate that?
4 or 5 councils
It
on
could be
him.
either 1 hour or 2.
सर वो जिस तरह रिजर्व सीट्स कैलकुलेट की उसी तरह टाइम.
1.5 is pretty exact.
Too many cars.
My lord, I'll give my formulations and I'll go straight to my formulations and I'll
जुमे
give
को
the
रखें.
solution.
So we have Mr.
What is Friday?
जुमे को जेसीपी
This friend, eh?
नहीं जुमे को जेसीपी
नहीं दोपहर को होगी ना.
नहीं 11:30
लेकिन आपको शायद
We finish. आप लोग अपने को allocate, देख लें structure, how you want to do it. These are the 2 days only.
We'll work it out.
You conclude on 26.
Why is everyone standing here?
No, but what I think
Sorry, this is.
And
आप अपने
this
clients
can
को
be
बिठाइए.
decided on
I mean,
24th.
why is the only council are entitled to come to the rostrum?
can be decided on the 24th because I
20
understand there won't be any other cases and just this case. So
24,
9:30
25th, they give you 2 full
So till
working days.
break, if the councils for the petitioner appellants can conclude till break, and then we
No,
can proceed. We get a day and a half.
could I request the team, the councils to talk to each other? These are the 2 days you have. Allocate your time so that you finish it.
So respondents will do it on their end.
मैं अभी
But
बता दूं
ये
सर, I will
break तक
conclude by 10:30.
आप जरा सलमान साहब से भी बात कर सकते हैं.
आपस में तो
ऐसी भी
बात कर
कोई
सकते हैं,
नाराजगी
टाइमिंग
क्या?
किया था.
नहीं नहीं वो अब तो ये है कि because
10:30 कर लें.
दो hearings.
But then they don't get enough
Mr.
time.
Attorney General, all I'm saying is that you can talk to the council for the
You
petitioners also.
are
and
really
work out a
nobody
plan.
before the courts.
For 2 days.
We are still indulging you. इतना नहीं करेंगे. Indulge में आप भी करें और फिर मैं 3 घंटे लगाऊंगा. इसमें लिखिए. No, that's not, sir. We have to be mindful of other cases also. इसमें लिखिए. It is now past 2 p.m. Mr. Learned, Mr. Faisal Siddiqui continues with his submissions and assures us that he will conclude within if he's granted 1 more hour. Full stop. To come up on Monday, 24th June 2024 at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
अब हम ऑफिस को इंस्ट्रक्ट कर देंगे unless there's already some date by court or something like that ये 2 दिन केसेस ना लगाएं.
And if I may say so, for the full court, advance Eid Mubarak to
Eid Mubarak to all lords.
To you, my lords. And
Eid Mubarak, sir.
If you could also file what you want to file in advance so that we have the benefit of it before.
अगर आप लोगों को if you want to file legal submissions, we can read them also.
He's looking very depressed.
you can, that will save time also.
Mr. Salman Raja, please cheer up. Eid is
Sir,
coming
he's
up.
personally grieved.
Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan, are you in this case?
There are serious issues here.
Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan, are you in this case?
We will hear you.
Who are you representing?
My lord, I am representing respondent number 17 onwards, the women who have been
Affected.
Affected.
So, एक आप में political parties भी कुछ articulate करेंगी. If you want to articulate something, please, it will, for your sake and for our benefit, it will save time also.
We'll try to keep, well, they will try to keep structured. I think both sides, I'm 27A, so I think they should, what Justice Shah has proposed, I think we should be very economical with our time, knowing that the case has to be.
Now you got some period to articulate your thoughts and put them concisely.
It's a great occasion to fix timing, which we Supreme Court of US does and other countries do. We could just have half an hour or so.
I would reiterate, you have to think about it. We'll do as you
Place to
We'll go by what you